Well, this afternoon, Hurricane Rafael, still a Category 2 storm, sustained winds of 100 miles per hour. Central pressure at 971 millibars, moving to the west-northwest at 9 miles per hour. So it is moving away from us here in southwest Florida. And as it does so, it will be weakening as it's going to be encountering some dry air as well as a highly sheared environment. So that'll try to break it down and it will lose its organization over the next couple of days. But it is still sending a little bit of moisture our way. That's why it's very humid out there once again today, and we're seeing a few sprinkles across the region for us this afternoon. A closer look at Wink Live Doppler 3X, 3 times more accurate radar. You will notice most of us dry, just seeing a few very light showers moving through Collier County this afternoon, and I think within the next hour or so we're looking at mainly dry conditions for everyone in the region. Temperatures right now sitting in the 80s, warm at 87 in Babcock Ranch, 85 in Immokalee, and 82 degrees right now in Cape Coral. Take a look at these dew points, mid to upper 70s, indicating just how muggy it is out there. Around this time of year, dew points should be in the mid 60s, so it should feel a lot more comfortable, but that tropical moisture, it's what's making it feel so sticky. A bit of a breeze at times with sustained winds setting anywhere between about 10 to 20 miles per hour. And as we look at future track, again, mainly dry conditions for the next couple of hours. Just some clouds hanging around overhead, especially as we head into those late evening hours. And then as we start our Friday, we will just be dealing with some cloud cover. So if you have any plans for this evening, wouldn't really have to worry about the rain gear as we're looking at mainly dry conditions. It's going to be partly cloudy out there, muggy and warm out there as well. As we start our Friday off, temperatures will be sitting in the low 70s. And take a look at this. We should be in the low 60s for this time of the year, so about 10 degrees warmer than average. And that's going to ring true again in the afternoon. Temperatures looking to top out in the upper 80s when we should be in the low 80s for this time of the year. Into the afternoon, just a potential of a stray shower. And you can see that here on Future Track. Heading into our Friday morning, a mix of sun and clouds, going to be a quiet start to our day. Into the lunch hour, looking at plenty of sunshine, and then late afternoon, early evening, that's when we could see a stray shower passing through. So for the most part, it's going to be a great day to get outside, a warm and muggy one, but you won't have to worry about the rain gear. And if you have any Friday night plans, you definitely won't have to worry about grabbing that umbrella. Now here's a look at your local forecast. You will notice those rain chances are going to be fluctuating quite a bit over the next couple of days. So stray shower for tomorrow into our Saturday, a couple more showers as we head into our Sunday, and then we will see another batch of tropical moisture moving in as we head into the work week. And so with that, we will see some better rain chances come Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then drying out again towards the end of the week.
All right, stay weather.
Well, with the latest advisory from the National Hurricane Center, Hurricane Rafael, still a Category 2 storm, sustained winds of 105 miles per hour, and it continues to move away from us here in southwest Florida. And as it does so, it is going to be encountering some unfavorable conditions, and so we will see some weakening beginning to take place as we head into this weekend, eventually fizzling as we head into early next week. But it did bring some moisture our way, leading to a little bit of rainfall over the last 48 hours. And within that time frame, we saw about 1/4 to an inch of accumulation, mainly towards the coastline. That's where we saw the bulk of the activity associated with Rafael over the last couple of days. But as we check in with what else we're tracking in the tropics, we also have this disturbance over in the Caribbean, a 20% chance of developing. But regardless of development, it is going to be bringing some rain to the area, and it's going to be sending some tropical moisture our way, and that's going to lead to some decent rain chances as we head into the following work week. Right now, dry air beginning to work its way in. That dry air is going to be hanging around for our Friday, Saturday, even into our Sunday. So we will see our rain chances dropping off over the next couple of days. And then that tropical moisture moving in on Monday that is associated with that disturbance. And so we will see those rain chances bump right back up. Isolated to scattered activity for the start of the work week. Then we will have a cold front pushing through. Behind that front, we'll get some drier air filtering in. And so with that, we will see very low rain chances in the forecast for the end of the following work week. Right now, temperatures mid to upper 70s, a few clouds in view, but all is dry on Wink Live Doppler 3X, 3 times more accurate radar. And we're looking to stay dry for the rest of tonight and into the majority of our Friday. We're looking at some really nice conditions. So just a few clouds passing overhead to start the morning off. Plenty of sunshine into the afternoon and just a potential of a stray shower as we head into the late afternoon, early evening hours. So it's going to be a great day to get outside. You won't have to worry about grabbing the rain gear. But it is going to be a warm and muggy day for us. Temperatures will be starting off in the low 70s when we should be in the low 60s for this time of the year. And temperatures will be climbing into the upper 80s when we should be in the low 80s for this time of the year. As for our dew points, they will remain sticky in the 70s for tomorrow. And really, our dew points are going to remain on that uncomfortable side until this time next week when that next front pushes through. And with that, those temperatures will remain on the warmer side through that time frame. And then as that front pushes through, we'll see those temperatures drop off into the low to mid 80s.